Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your you and yours reading. Capricorn, this is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now and what action we can expect now. So, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, and if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do subscribe, join the channel. We welcome you. The general collective readings will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. I have the Eight of Cups here, Judgment, Three of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Temperance, and the Death card. Big transformation coming into your life, it seems here, Capricorn. But then this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, because I'm going to be putting out two sides. So one of them is you would know which one, right? For me, this is person A. Person B has the Page of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, Two of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. And the most likely action person A would like to take now, and the most likely outcome or action person B would like to take now. So bottom of my spread, I do see the Ten of Pentacles, but they're in reverse right now, Capricorn. So little problem in a happily ever after situation here. Let's see. Let's take a few. Okay, from what I'm getting right now, Capricorn, what I'm getting right now, just seeing the cards as they are without clarifying them, I feel somebody is walking away now. Person A is walking away and they want to kind of have a re-beginning of their life or something like that, and person B is now feeling left out in the cold, neglected, and maybe wanting to come in and give an apology. So let's see. Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here. Capricorn and their person. If they could say something to each other in spirit now. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here as well. Capricorn and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. That's enough, I think. All right, so Capricorn, let's begin. The first card here says, your ego is fucking irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. So maybe there's a problem of commitment here. That's why the Ten of Pentacles was in reverse. Okay. Second card. I have faith that we will be together again. I'm holding space for you. I'd put you on a pedestal and made myself small for you. I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? Yes, somebody has said, wants to come with an apology now and saying, hey, I've realized now I do want you in my life. I'm sorry, is it too late? Waiting on you to forgive me. I promise I can change. It was just not the right time for us at that time. All right, so these messages are rather clear, I would say. Let's see what's going on with person A. Person A right now was on the verge of leaving, saying, hey, I don't want this, I'm leaving this, I'm not emotionally happy in this situation, and I'm going to maybe have a rebirth, restart somewhere else. Why is that, spirit? Why is person A thinking like that? And Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below, okay? Yes. This person just wanted to be happy. This is a very charming person, very attractive, charming. They light up the room wherever they go. They like to be in a happy and joyous space. And maybe they were not feeling that happy where they were, and they're saying, hey, I'm going towards my own happiness. I know I can find it. If not with you, then maybe with somebody else. But this is my personality, and I don't hang around for something which is going to be emotionally draining for me. Right? So this person is on the verge of leaving and moving towards their happiness. Why is that, Spirit? What happened in the recent past for them to feel that way? Three of Pentacles and the Page of Swords in reverse. So maybe somebody was a bit immature and or maybe too busy, maybe created some imbalance in this connection. Maybe some memories have been spoilt now between the two of you, Capricorn. No, I think person A wanted this connection to work. They really wanted this relationship to work. They were manifesting a brand new beginning with their person, but they soon realized, I think, that their person is being a little immature, not bringing any balance to this relationship, creating the memories created now between the two of you are not that great now. Maybe you guys had fights or something like that, and that's the reason now person A is in this mode of saying, I don't want it, I'm leaving, I want to go towards my happiness, I'm looking for my brand new beginning, let's say. So what are the feelings towards person B now? Temperance and the Death card. Why is the Temperance and the Death card here, Spirit, as their feelings for person B now? They're healing, I think. I think they are healing. They waited a long time. I think person A was very patient on person B for a long time. They waited. I think they kind of didn't make the choice or decision for a long time. They held on to this connection, trying to see it from a higher ground and say, it'll come about, it'll come about. And finally, I think they had no choice but to make this decision and maybe bring an end to this connection. What's this Death card, Spirit? What's this Death card? Yes, I think finally, after waiting for so long and no action may be coming from person B's side, this person, their pride and ego got a little hurt. And they've decided now to put an end to this connection and turn their back on person B. Okay, now what action finally they're going to take, we'll open this card later. Let's see what person B is going through. Person B is right now feeling totally abandoned, left out, sad. They feel battered and bruised, and they really want to come back and try one more time, and they want to come in with an apology, it seems. So, Page of Cups, Spirit. Yes, this has been a tower moment for them. Maybe this change happened rather quickly. Maybe they were at that point not taking action to bring about a commitment. Again, the card is here. And this was like a tower moment that I think their partner decided to leave them. Yes, and end the connection. They didn't expect this connection to end just like that. But now they're realizing, I made a mistake here. I should have said something, done something, fought harder for this connection. Now this person is feeling miserable and feeling sad and heartbroken as well. Okay, so let's see what happened in the recent past for this person to feel that way. The Lovers in reverse with the Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, they had to make a choice. They had to make a decision. And what was that decision, Spirit? What was that decision? What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B? This person, I think, made a decision, hey, I don't want to be stressed out with any burdens or any commitment. I'd rather not kind of move towards it right now. This person was trying to make their own wishes come true. They had a lot of things that they wanted to do, a lot of things they wanted to explore yet. They didn't want to be tied down maybe to a commitment right now, even though they found person A to be their perfect person, their wish come true, but they kind of mistook this connection to be maybe just a friends with benefits kind of a connection. And yeah, how do they see person A now? How does person B see person A now? They feel that person has already released them. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel their person has already released them, is no longer interested in them, no longer offering them that stability and abundance and whatever, or let go of the expectation of having this committed connection with them. They do see their partner in a very good light as well. They know that this is the perfect person for me, this is marriage material. Queen of Pentacles is the wifey, the one who looks after everyone, looks after themselves, can earn, can keep house and keep everything in working order. So they do see that this person in very high light as well, but they do see them as having released any expectations from them either as well. Sorry. Yes, they feel they've been dropped. They've been dropped like a hot brick. Okay, so what action does person A now want to take towards person B, Spirit? They're keeping silent. They're not expressing. They're not talking. Maybe they're just keeping themselves to themselves and keeping their secrets to themselves, not really sharing as much as they did with their person B anymore. There is silence going on. Am I right, Spirit? High Priestess as the action. Yes, this person is upset and angry. The Empress in reverse now. They feel I don't want to grow and I don't want to have abundance and anything with person B anymore. They didn't respect me. I mean, they knocked an Empress off their throne. And I'm going to now keep quiet as well. I'm not going to give off my energy to them either. And what action does person B want to take towards person A now? They're confused. Two of Pentacles. Why are they confused, Spirit? Why are they going back and forth? What are they thinking? One more. They feel this entire thing has backfired on them. They've lost, they feel their partner has dropped them. they feel their partner has dropped them now. They feel, sorry, excuse me, throat chakra blockage. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other now. They feel that their person is no longer giving of their love and attention to them anymore, and they really don't know what to do. All they are feeling right now is, oh my God, this backfired on me. So is there any action that they would like to take, Spirit, towards person A now? No, then they are totally in confusion right now. They're totally confused. They don't know what to think. They are going back and forth in their mind. What do I do? What do I do? They don't want to lose this connection, that's for sure. They're still holding on to that hope or, that fear that it'll be over soon. So they're trying to come up with some plan maybe to figure out what to do. Maybe an apology is coming. Spirit, will that apology come? The one that they were showing here, this was in their mind space that I need to give an apology. So will that apology come, Spirit? Right now, I think they think the person A is not even going to accept their apology. Even if they come forward with an apology, they feel their person probably has many other suitors, maybe is single, abundant, looking good, smelling good, earning good, and they're kind of feeling a bit rejected, dejected, sad, lonely, to feel that, hey, even if I go towards them with an offer, I think they're not even going to look at me now, because this person can get anyone they want. So that's what I have for you right now, Capricorn. I hope this worked for you. Let me know, okay? Love and light. Take care. Namaste.